Hi, welcome to Kite Relay, a Telegram autonomous economic operating system powered by KiteAI. As we all know, today AI can answer all questions, but it rarely executes a real economic action. Businesses, users, complex wallets, disconnected payment systems, manual coordinations is really a hurdle. But what if Telegram, one of the most accessible communication platform, could be something even more? What if a simple message could trigger programmable commerce? Now, that's why we bought Kite. Now, what Kite is built for? Of course, it's built to operate AI autonomously and, whereby you can automate users, execute, and observe. All right, so a quick overview is, you can use both your Telegram or the browser. For now, we're focusing on Telegram. Why? Because it's popular and it attracts so many users already. So with command and CLI orchestrations, we can make KPass, that's the Kite Passport, accessible to everyone. Without further ado, let's go to the architecture. So on our architecture, we can see a simple flow whereby our Telegram actions can, check balance every hour and it work remotely. You can be in the office, out of the office, even on vacation, and yes, still interact with Kite Passport on the go. So how we build this is that we built with Kite Relay, a bot which run on port 3000, then connected to Redix on 6379. Then we have workers who does and execute the job in isolation. Wow. That means two or more Telegram users can actually run the bot and perform actions like transfer token, communicate together, even run some AI automations. Don't worry, I'm going to share some walkthrough. All right, so back to our walkthrough here. So we have a simple Telegram app running already. So it does three actions already, like we've listed. So what you can do is that, of course, you can sign up. So let me just hit the help section. So with the help section, I get to see what's going on with. All right. So yeah. So help. So with the help section, it gives me this simple prompt that I can, log in. So if I want to log in, I log in with my email, then, request for or authentication and carry on. But I'm just going to show a simple walkthrough what we've done so far. So we have list of commands, about 30 of them, which is used to power the autonomous AI functionalities. And what you can do is like for the season, if you want to create a season where you can spend your real token using the Kite Passport, what you just need to do is to open a section here as we have here. So you ask to register an agent like now. And if you can see, I said, okay, fine, let's register agent trader trade. So once you register agent trader trade, you'll be able to, you'll be given an agent and the status will definitely be active. So from here, you can be able to carry out a simple transaction right here. So another is you can as well transfer token. So I can transfer token to a user. Let's assume this is another user here. So of course, with the if you have an address, you can send this directly. So but if you use the word send, you can send to its Telegram username once this person is ready to start to the key relay. So for now, I'm just gonna send to his address. So I'm using wallet send, then his address, and let's say I want to send 0.3 USDC. All right, so with this, is going to send this user this. Once I refresh, I'll be able to get the balance and also see the transaction spot. So going forward, we plan to take this project even higher, where it can, of course, power real transaction, basically in Africa, where you can just top up your airtime or, buy data for someone on the go by giving it an instruction that, oh, credit my phone every Monday. And, that is it. It all happened that way. So this is just my quick demo for the Kite hackathon. Be sure to, download this repo and test this yourself in isolation or, for multiple users as well. Thank you and bye for now.